Hello Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all po. Pauna mensahe ni Gemini for today ay inspiration. Napakaganda kasi high vibe kayo siguro sa ngayon Gemini, and you are feeling inspired, motivated, masaya, excited kayo, no, to do whatever it is that you want to do. So napakagandang energy yan to start with. We have pure intention. Ayan. So, provided that your intentions are pure, provided that your intentions is for the highest good of all, of the people around you, pati na ikaw, then for sure, tutulungan ka, susuportahan ka ng universe sa inyong mga intentions, and you will be helped out manifest, kung ano man ang mga gusto mong mangyari ngayon. What else? We have shine from within, Gemini. Siguro ang iba sa inyo is playing small, ang iba sa inyo very shy, at meron kayong mga katangian, meron din kayong mga talents, skills, and gifts na siguro hindi ninyo ever pa yan sinishare sa iba, hindi pa ninyo yan pinapakita, hindi pa ninyo yan ine-express, for whatever reason. Pero ngayon, iniimbitahan kayo na now is the time for accepting yourself entirely for who you really are. Embrace nyo na yan, na kung anong tunay mong pagkatao, ano ang meron ka, whatever it is, na mga talents, skills, and gifts mo. Now is the time for you to accept that and acknowledge that. Kasi maraming tao ang naghihintay, para dyan. Maraming tao ang makikinabang dyan. Maraming tao ang matutuwa sa'yo and may inspire sa'yo once na in-embrace mo na yung sarili mo entirely, So, what else? We have music. Maaari din, Gemini, na mahilig kayo sa musika. Baka you are a music lover, baka you really have that music, musically inclined siguro kayo, nagtutugtog siguro kayo ng kanta, nagsusulat, or whatever it is that you do is connected to music. Pero sa ngayon, siguro for in the past, siguro nagkaroon kayo ng disconnect, pero ngayon, maaring eto na, babalik na kayong muli. You're going to embrace music once again. And saka, baka meron din kayong mga questions sa sarili ninyo, or maybe questions sa universe, or maybe nangangailangan kayo ng guidance, or clarity, enlightenment, mga ganon. And maybe through music, idadaan niya ng universe, ang sagot, sa inyong kailangan. Maaaring through the lyrics of the music na maririnig ninyo, dyan ninyo malalaman yung gabay sa inyo ng universe na kailangan ninyong marinig sa ngayon. So, pay attention to that, So, tignan natin kung ano pa ang ganap. We have angel number 1414, light up. Ayan. So, focus on your needs, desires, and hobbies. Everything is more accessible with a light attitude. You will be blessed with new opportunities, a new friend, or an addition to their family. So, good vibes will speed up the process. So, napakaganda ng mga napipintong biyaya na paparating sa inyo dito, Gemini. What else? We have angel number 777, ang swerte. Mababalot kayo ngayon ng swerte. So, talagang this is good luck, on your side. Ngayon, Gemini, you will be feeling contented. There will be prosperity coming your way. Abundance of money. Napakaganda. This message is most likely to reach you during intense uncertainty. You'll come out winning from everything that may come your way. It's also a sign that you have much life experience and wisdom to share, yet you'll need enthusiasm and effort to get this message to others. Napakaswerte ninyo sa ngayon, Gemini. So, i-align nyo na ang inyong energies with these energies, dahil ang swerte, ang dami ninyong biyayang matatanggap sa ngayon. Angel number 1221, there is change, no? Definitely, sa dami ng iba't ibang klaseng biyaya na paparating sa buhay ninyo ay talaga namang magbabago ang takbo ng buhay ninyo. Okay? So, work with what you have and it will get you places. Count your blessings and acknowledge your dear ones. You will find inspiration and figure out a way forward. So, you might also be getting some good news soon. So, good luck to that. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.